Rebound by number 20. Pass number
Okay ka lang,
6.
guys.
Back to number 30. To number 31. Sundot. Pinasa ang number 31. Wala. Sayang pa rin. Basket, 2 points. Number 17. Number 16. Number 17, 3-point. Wala. Rebound. Wala. Number 15. Pass number 30 to number 6. Okay. Number 16. To be a 3-point basket, 3 points. Number 13. To number 15. Pinasa labas, number 6. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Foul. Number 24.
Ang liliit. Talaga hindi maabot. Mobile terrible daw.
Wala. Rebound by number. To number 31. Basket, 2 points.
Lilit na kino.
Number 17.
Super hawig.
To number 16. To number 24. 3 points. Number 30. Pass number 15. To number 4. To number 6. To number 30. To number 4. To number 15. Number 17. Foul number 30. Baba. Foul, baba daw, baba. Not counted. Number 15. Number 17 to number 9. Basket, 2 points. Number 6. Wala.
Sound level. Yung sound level, ang loud daw. Loud. Loud sa
Number 17.
Sorry, eerie.
3 points. Number 9. Back to number 17. Traveling violation. Number 30. To number 6. To number 15. Number 30. Wala. Rebound by number 4. Balik, number 30, 3-point. 3 points.
OMG.
Number 16. To number 24. Nasundot. Number 16. Number 17. Foul. Number 15.
Sirito sili ang sigaw ng liga. Paglaban ng matibay pero walang bibitaw. Sa season 3 kami ang sikat. Edad 30 pero galaw ay solid. Mga veterano sa laro di takot sa init. May depensa dikit walang papalagpas. Sa scoreboard tinitignan sa bakos.
Wala. Foul number 17. Number 30.
Di maliit ko natin yung 800.
Pinasa loob.
Kasi solid. Wala talagang babae.
Number 24. Open basket. Nakuha niyo ulit. Number 19. Easy layup. 2 point. Number 30. To number 15. To number 6. Nabitawan. Now number 17. Nagmamadali. Basket, 2 point. Change 5, both team. 2.
Let's go. Ready to... Alright. Question. Ang laki, no? Ang laki na.
Number 2. Pass number 13, back to number 2. Pinaka number 5. Wala. Rebound by number 5. Number 44. Pass number 6, 3 point. Wala. Rebound.
OMG! Warm up, warm up.
Pinaka number 5.
Nice!
Basket, 2 points. Pinasa number 6. Ang layo, tumira, 3 point. Wala. Rebound by number 23. Number 5 to number 2.
Hey!
Wala. Nakuha na ba?
Ay!
Pinasa. Outside. Number 2. Pass to number 15. To number 5.
Ay!
Basket, 2
Nice
points.
one! May dalang cheering squad.
Number 4.
Yan yung 3 na paglaki.
Nasundot. Pinasa. Dollar pass. Nakuha number 44. Pass the loob. Bump. Number 5. Wala. Rebound by number 13. Pass number 2. Number 2. Pinasa. Back to number 13. To number 15. Wala. Nakuha niyo ulit.
Ay!
Pass number 23. Wala. Pass number 5. To number 13. Wala.
Ay! Bumili ka na, Day. Isang, ay, 500.
Number 5. 3 points. Number 44. Pass to number 6. Back to number 44. To number 12. Number 17. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Pass number 2. Basket, 2 points. Number 44. Tumira, 3 point. 3 points. Number 15. 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Tapik. Outside. Last 2 minutes. Three point, wala. Number 4. Pinasa number 17, balik number 4. Basket, 2 points. 19-6. Paper of urgency 2. Number 2. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Pass to number 5. Basket, 3 points. All 19. 1 minute and 21 seconds. 17 second shot clock. Number 44. 3 points. Layo dun. Number 15. To number 15. Pinasa. Number 2. 2 points. Number 44.
Yeah! Papawis League Season 3 sa kahit anong city.
Pinasa.
Tanong ko,
Ano ba yan?
Nasindot. Pasa number 5. Pinasa number 2. Basket 2 points.
Basket.
Number 44. Pass to number 4. Tumira. Rebound pa number 5. Wala. Now number 23. To number 5. To number 13. Basket 2 points.
Basket. Go!
Foul. Number 23. 22-25. In favor of Obero All-Star.
kailangan diskarte. Play parang may sariling arte. Fast break takbo, parang hangin na bilis. Pag layup sa ring, wala nang kapalit. Hindi mawala.
Pinasa loob. Galing. Number 4. End of the first quarter.
Si Dada ang pinakamatangkad. Si Dada. Pinakamatangkad. Dada.
Number 17 to number 16. Sa ilalim, nakakuha. Number 31 to number 13 to number 4 to number 6. 2 points.
Papawis League
Number 17.
sa kahit anong city, kahit anong court. Pag bola ang usapan,
Nasa loob. Number 19. Wala. Rebound. Now on number 31. Sundot. Now on number 9. To number 17. Foul. Foul number 4. Nine minutes and 13 seconds.
pasok sa court parang digmaan agad.
Basket, first throw.
Walang atas, dribble sa kaliwa. Crossover kanan, pag step back, jump ang kalaban na tulalahin. Hindi lang lakas, kailangan dis-
Basket again.
play parang may sariling arte. Fast break takbo, parang hangin na
Number 13. Number 15. Pass number 6. To number 13, back to number 6. 3 point. Wala. Rebound. Now number 15. Tinira 3 point. Wala. Rebound. Number 15. Number 16, atake. Wala. Pinasa. Number 17. Sundot.
Nandun lang.
Pasa number 13. Basket 2 points. Number 16. Pass na number 19. 3 point. Wala. Nakuha number 24. To number 19. Foul number. Basket first throw. Basket again.
Why not?
8 minutes and 10 seconds. 20 second shot clock.
If why not then?
Number 13, pinasa sa ilalim. Wala. Number 19 to number 17. Wala. Pinasa, sundot.
Ay!
Mapawis Lake says
7 minutes and 37 seconds.
kahit anong ko. Pagbola mo sa
Number 16.
game time.
Wala.
Ay!
Rebound by number 24. Pinasa, nasundot. Outside.
Day, ano ba, Day? Wala si DJ.
Number 30. Pinasa, ilalim. Wala, nakuha number 24. Number 24, pinasa. Number 16 to number 17. Wala. Tapik. Nakuha number 30 to number 15. Tira, 3 point. Wala. Tapik. Outside. Number 16.
28, 20 lang.
Number 16, wala. Rebound by number 9. To number 16. To number 24, 3 points. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Follow up play. Basket. Number 30. Pass to number 6. To number 30, 3 points. Bang, bang, bang. 3 points. Number 16.
Oy!
Nasundot. Pass to number 6. Easy 2 points.
Over! Ay, kasi ano eh. Bibili lang ang shot.
Number 24.
You're back here.
To number 17. Pass to number 16. Wala. Number 30, pinasa ilalim. Wala na ako. Number 24. To number 17. Basket, 2 points. Number 31, Pumeke.
Ay!
Foul number 24. Substitution. Change 5.
Todo pala to ah. Pabagyo na yan, sir. Pabagyo. Low pressure area na.
Number 2. Number 2. To number 5. 3 points. Number 3. Outside. Number 2. Balik kay number 2. Number 5. Tumira. 3 points pala. Rebound by number 23. Balik number 5. Pinasa ilalim. Ang ganda nun. Basket 2 points. By number 70. 30. Number 44. Tapik. Now on number 5. Number 2, 3 points. Wala. Rebound by number 23. Basket. Follow-up play. Number 0. Wala. Now on number 17. Basket. 2 points. 3 minutes and 49 seconds.
Ay!
Wala. Rebound. Now on number 17. Pass to number 0. To number 4. Sinira? Wala. Rebound by number 13. Number 5. To number 2. Outside. Number 0. Pass 2. Binalik kay number 0 to number 6. Number 5. Pinasa number 2. Basket, 2 points. 43 for 34. Favor of Hobero.
Nice one. Nice.
Wala. Rebound by number 23. To number 2. To number 23. Basket, 2 points. Time out. Rich. Number 0. To number 44. To number 17. To number 4. Tinira. Wala. Rebound. Number 15. Nawa number 4. Pinasa. Number 0. Basket. 2 points. Number 2. 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Number 15. To number 5. Sa labas. Number 13. 2 points. Basket. 2 points. Number 17. Basket. 2 points. 1 minute and 43 seconds. Number 13. 3 points. Bang, bang, bang. 3 points. Number 4. To number 0. To number 44. To number 17. Balik, number 4. Tumira. Basket.
Good.
Number 2. Wala. Number 17. To number 44. Binek sa kanya, number 4. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Pass to number 5. To number 13. 3 points again. Outside. 41.2 seconds. Three points. Wala. Rebound by number 0. To number 44. Balik, number 0. Outside. Now on number 23. Foul number 5. Basket, first throw. Rebound, number 44. Number 17. To number 0. Wala. Rebound by number 4. Number 4. Basket, 2 points. Number 2. End of the second quarter. Number 13. Number 6. To number 4. To number 30. To Gasalop. Now number 19. Number 17.
Ay! OMG!
Foul number 17. Number 30. To number 4. To number 15, 3 points. Number 16, 3 point. Wala. Rebound. Number 30. To number 6. Wala. Rebound.
Ay!
Number 17. Wala. Rebound.
Butik, ano ba?
Number 30. To number 31. 3 point. Wala. Nawa number 6. Number 30. Basket 2 points.
Wala yung timer pa lang.
Number 16. To number 17. Bang, 3 points. Number 30. To number 15, 3 points. Wala. Rebound by number 16. Number 6. To number 16. Pinasa loob, number 19, foul. Foul number
Pag bolang usapan,
basket, second row. 8 minutes and not outside.
pasok sa court parang digmaan agad. Mga galaw mabilis walang atas. Dribble sa kaliwa,
Number 31.
pag-step back.
To number 30, foul. Number 17.
Fast break ako, parang hangin ang bilis. Pag layup sa ring, wala nang kapalit. Hindi mahalaga kung saan ka galing. Sa liga na to, lahat may galing. Wala may nila hanggang kahit anong lugar. Papawis, ligang tunay na mabaka.
Basket, second row. 60-46 in favor of Hopero All-Star. Pinasa labas, number 6, 3 point. Bang, 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 3 points.
Naku, hindi na videohan.
Number 30. To number 15. Number 30 to number 6. Pinasa loob, nasandot. Now number 19. To number 17. Number 17.
Oy!
Foul. Number 15. Substitute for rep. Three points. Bang, bang, bang. Back to back yun ah.
Yamang mo! Yamang mo, friend!
Number 2. To number 13. Set a screen. Nakita number 16. 3 points. Bang, bang, bang.
Grabe sa sab.
Number 17. 3 points. Wala. Rebound. 3 points again. Bang, 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 bang. Back to back to back to back. Number 4.
Grabe yun.
Number 4 to number 2. Wala. Rebound by number 17. 6 minutes. Number 19. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Foul. Number 31.
Nata. Ay? Ano?
Basket. 5 minutes and 49 seconds. 62-57. In favor of Roberto All-Star. Number 20 to number 15. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Now on number 6. Nasundot number 30. Pass number 31. Number 31. Foul. Number 17. Number 30. Pull up. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Number 16 to number 17. Substitution. Outside. Number 13. Pass number 31 to number 23. Now,
Ganyan sa sila.
wala. Rebound by number 30. To number 31. Wala. Now, number 19. Number 19. Pass number 44. Wala. Rebound by number 15. To number 30. Pull up. Basket. Easy to point. Number 16. To number 44. To number 16. To number 6. Tapik. Number 2. To number 31. Foul. Number 16. Substitution rep. Basket. First throw.
Pero galaw ay solid. Mga veterano sa laro di takot sa init. Depensa dikit walang
66-57 in favor of Roberto All-Star. Number 44. To number 16. To number 6. To number 16. Wala. Rebound. Number 9 basket. 2 point. Number 30. Pass number 2. 3 point. Bang, bang, bang. 3 points. 3 minutes and 13 seconds. 69-59. Favor of Roberto All-Star. Nasundot. Number 2. To number 30. Basket. Time out. Regency 2. Number 16. Offensive foul. Number 13, 3 points. Wala. Rebound. Rebound by number 6. Number 19. Wala. Now on number 2. Pinasa number 31. Wala. Rebound by number 9. To number 16. Number 16 to number 6. 3 point. Bang, bang, bang.
Out, di ka na rin. Yabang mo dati. Dapat pinaril ka. Ayabang mo dati.
Number 2. To number 13. Number 23 to number 5. To number 21. Foul. Substitution, rep. Number 19. Pinasa number 31. Wala. Rebound. Foul number 13. Loose ball pa.
Jay! Jay, di mo pinaril! Bayan! Ulitin mo, ulitin mo.
Number 17. Offensive foul. Number 17. Graduate.
Oh, wait oh.
Shake Season 3. Kahit anong city, kahit anong club, pag bola ang usapan.
Ano?
Mapawis na yun, game time yan, mga bola sa pool, di na
Rebound ba number 9? Number 44. Pinasa number 6. Nasundot. Same ball.
Wait mo.
Pinasa loob. Nakuha number 5. Pass number 13. Basket. Easy to find. Number 16. Foul number 2. Number 16, 3-point. Wala. Number 5. Umikot. Basket, 2 points. Number 44. Pinasa, number 6. Nasundot, number 15. Nasundot. Nawa, number 13. To number 5. Wala. Rebound by number 44. Number 6. Two-point basket.
kami ang sigaw. Saksak ko parang digmaan agad. Mga galaw na bilis walang atas.
Number 24.
45 points.
To number 44. 3 points. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Number 6. Basket, 2 points.
Mali episode oh.
Number 44. Number 17. Nasa. Number 19. Wala. Pinasa loob. To number 24. Basket, 2 points. Number 10 feet. To number 6. 3 points. To number 24. To number 44. To 19. Wala. No look pass. Nakakuha. Nakakuha. Outside. To number 5. 15. Number 6, 3-point. Wala. Number 17. Pinasa loob, number 24 to number 17. Basket, 2-point.
Papawis League Season 3.
3-point.
Kahit anong city.
Wala. Rebound by number 5. Basket, 19. Dire-diretso. Pinasa, nakakuha. To number 6. Basket, 2-point.
Game time na, mga bola sa court. Di nagpapahina. City to city ang sigaw ng liga.
Number 44. Pinasa sa loob. Palpal. Number 15.
Ano naman niya?
Pasok sa court parang digmaan agad.
Kita shoes niya.
Bilis mo lang at
Shoes niya. Purple. Ano ata?
Wala. Rebound. (82-68) favor of Hopero All-Star. 7 minutes and 17 seconds left. Number 15. Wala. Number 5. Wala. Number 44. Wala. Number 6. Easy to find. 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Sundot. Number 5 to number 15. Number 6 to number 13. 3 points. Wala. Rebound. Outside. Substitution ref. 6 minutes and 29 seconds. Pinasa loob, number 13, basket, 2 point. Number 16, 3 point. Wala. Rebound by number 5. Number 13 to number 15. Outside. 6 minutes. Number 16. Pinasa loob. Foul number 15.
Follow yung yarn.
Number 5. Wala. Rebound by number 13. Pass number 6. Number 13 to number 5. To number 15. 3 points. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Basket, 2 points.
Hindi lang lakas, kailangan diskarte. Bawat play parang may sariling arte. Fast break, takbo.
Number 6. Wala, rebound by number 16. Wala. Number 5. To number 13. 3 points. Bang, bang, bang. 92-70. Favor of Opera Star. Basket, 2 points.
Edad 30 pero galaw ay solid.
3 points. Wala. Rebound.
Sa dikit, walang papalagpas.
To number 44. Three points. Basket, 3 points.
Huling segundo doon lalabas ang tapang.
Foul. Number 16. Time out. Regency 2.
Sa kahit anong city,
First throw basket.
pag bola ang usapan. Game time. Game time.
Basket again.
Game time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Papawis league. Game time na mga
Basket again.
di nagpapahina. City to city ang sigaw ng liga. Paglaban ng usapan kami ang biga.
Outside.
Galingan mo, Jen! Magalaan.
Sa kaliwa, crossover kanan pag step back, jump at kalaban na tulala. Hindi lang lakas, kailangan diskarte. Play parang
Number 30 to number 23 to number 13. 3 points. Number 6 to number 44. Basket, 3 points by number 16. Yung coaching puti daw po doon sa labas, pasuyo daw po.
edad 30 pero galaw ay sulit. Mga veterano sa laro di takot sa init. Depensa dikit, walang papalagpas sa scoreboard. Tinitignan
Rebound, number 16, 3 points. Wala. Rebound by number 13.
ang nasa isipan. Papawis season 3 bago kasi
Number 2.
siguro doon lalabas ang tapang.
Wala. Rebound by number 6. Number 16. Wala. Rebound. Number 13. 3 points. Wala. Outside.
Ano na ang mga pakayo? Pinasa sa akin, pre! Pinasa sa akin.
Number 30. Nasa labas. Number 31. Basket, 2 points. Number 16. 3 points. Wala. Rebound. Number 31. 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Season 3
3 points. Bang, bang, bang.
pag bola ang usapan.
3 points. Wala.
Tamad na, tamad na.
Number 13. 3 points again. Bang, bang, bang. Wala. Ila, 2 minutes na. Bumawi. Points. Basket, 3 points.
Mga galaw, mabilis, walang atras. Dribble sa kaliwa, crossover kanan, pag step back, jump at kalaban na tulala.
Pagod na.
Kailangan discard.
Mapawis lang sila.
Number 19. Wala.
Sige na to, lahat may galing. Mula Maynila hanggang kahit anong lugar. Papawis league ang tunay na pagbata. Papawis league, game time na. Mga bola sa bola, di nagpapahina. City to city ang sigaw ng liga. Paglaban ng usapan, kami ang biga. Papawis league, taas ang kamay, pawis ang puso ang puhunan. Sa tagumpay hanggang buzzer biter, walang bibitaw sa season.
End of the game.
Edad 30 pero galaw ay sulit. Mga veterano sa laro di takot sa init.
Nice game, nice game.
Sa dikit walang
Nice game, sis. Nice game, sis.
tinitignan mo ang oras kumakalas. 8.6 parang ulit ng press ground. Sumisigaw habang kalabay stress. Championship ring ang nasa isip.
Kung gusto yung beat, may maximum